So today I'm going to show you 3 quick baby food recipes. These recipes are perfect for first-time eaters. The first one is sweet potatoes. Take 2 sweet potatoes and wrap them in foil. Roast them in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. When they have cooled down, unwrap them and start peeling. Make sure potatoes are completely peeled. Now take your peeled potatoes and about a half a cup of water and get ready to blend. I like to use bottled water. Feel free to add more water while blending if mixture looks too thick. This texture is what you're looking for. Next, let's do yellow squash. First, get a pot of boiling water going. Take your rinsed yellow squash and cut the ends off. Cut into large chunks and add into boiling water. Boil for about 5 minutes. When squash is tender, remove from water. Add squash and 1/4 cup of water to blender and blend. Here's the texture that you're looking for. Last but not least, the bananas. The bananas are easy. Just peel your bananas, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water, and blend. Here is the consistency you're going for. When storing your baby food, you can keep it in the fridge for about a week or freeze it for about a month. Not only are these recipes easy, but they taste better. Enjoy!